23 of February, Julian. Crypto wishes not a financial advice. According to Joe Biden words, the Russia invade Ukraine. The Ukraine president calls up reservists as Russia moves troops into country's east. And here is live map of these troops and of Donbass. And UK also announces first tranche of Russia sanctions, targets banks and wealthy individuals. All right, and how the Bitcoin price will react, how on-chain data metrics will react on this. We will analyze it in minutes, but first of all, look at these charts. Vietnam War, for example, Afghanistan War, for example, Iraq War, and the moments of invasion in past was great time to buy the dip, or as we can see, buy the invasion. And look at the price just after the war started. The price continues to rise. Also, as we can see on this chart, as you know, we are facing hiking the interest rates, hiking interest rates, okay, by Federal Reserve. So in past, how hiking the interest reserves in this time, in this moment, at this moment, how it influences the price. So as you can see, the price continues to rise during hiking of increasing the reserves. Just at the moment of started this hiking, the price went down, and after that price went up continuously, and at the moment when the hiking stopped, and at the moment the interest rates were at the point of the previous cycle, the price went down and the price corrected. And previously was similar, as you can see, and previously was also similar, as you can see, in .com bubble. And right now we are facing the increase of interest rates right now, so maybe there will be correction, or maybe right now we are facing this correction right now on S&P 500. Maybe this is it, and maybe we are just before the continuous of rising the interest rates, but also continuous of rising price of stock market, and maybe it is great time to wait until the interest rates will be up, and will be on the top, on the all-time, on the local all-time high. All right. Bitcoin reserve is decreasing. Stablecoins reserve is increasing. This is bullish. This is also bullish for long term. But right now, here we are in a divergence. The price is rising. The stablecoins reserve is decreasing systematically since 2 months. For 2 months, $69,000, $38,000, something like this, and big outflow of BTC from spot exchanges. In the past, look at the price. In past, we were able to sell back or buy back our bitcoins at the same level, most times at the same level, or even a little bit higher. But we are in the downtrend right now since November, we are in the downtrend. So right now, maybe in few days, we will be also able to sell our Bitcoin at about $39,000, something like this, maybe even $40,000. But just after that, there is no great time for BTC because price continuously went down. And right here in microscale, long-term holders are buying, but in a bigger scale, long-term holders are selling. This is not good signal for Bitcoin. Okay. And what about stablecoin ratio? We are facing the area of points about 40% of relative strength index, and in previous moments it was great time. Basically it was great time to sell our BTC and to take profits, as you can see, and stablecoin ratio from derivatives. In past, it was really nice time to buy the bottom, buy the dip right here. But you have to remember that maybe right now we are in a bear market. And if we are in a bear market, it is also great time to buy locally such dips. But there also can be much bigger, much deeper dip in the future. Of course, we will see. We don't know, but you have to be prepared. You have to know that there is a possibility still ongoing. Okay, what about Brazil? Brazil Senate committee approves bill regulating crypto transactions. The project introduced by Senator Flavio Arns has to be voted on the Senate plenary and then it approved by Brazilian Chamber of Deputies. Kazakh's ministry halts illegal crypto mining operation. Government effort to identify and disconnect mining farms from the electrical networks will continue, according to the announcement. El Salvador's Bitcoin bullishness has spurred a tourism bottom since the country adopted it as a legal tender, top minister says. And tourism in El Salvador, according to Cointelegraph, up 30% since Bitcoin adoption. Cointelegraph, top 100 personas in crypto industry, and for example, Plan B, Snoop Dogg. Who else we know well? Katie Wood, Gavin Wood, co-founder of Polkadot, Mark Cuban, entrepreneur. Who else? Anthony Scaramucci, financier, Willy Woo, market analysis and trader, Changpeng Zhao, founder and CEO of Binance. Who else? Web3 community. Okay. Bob Lucas, cycle trader, founder of Bitcoin Life. Mike Novogratz, founder and CEO of Galaxy Digital. Who else? DAOs, of course, decentralized autonomous organization. And CryptoBurb, our Polish personality, market analyst, Twitter personality, founder and CEO of Burp Nest. Congratulations for CryptoBurb. And many, many others. And we are waiting still for the top 30. Okay, thank you, Cointelegraph. And what about Tether? Tether slashes commercial papers by 21% in the latest reserve attestation. And of course, it is really good move from Tether. Why? Because commercial papers it's often issued by large corporation, and it is used for financing payroll and short-term liabilities. It's referred to as unsecured debt, as it is usually not backed by any form of collateral. So basically, if they are cutting such reserves, and for example, if they will be increasing reserve of just cash, it will be really good sign for Tether. Of course, we will see what will happen. And Puma registers ENS, so Ethereum Name Services domain, changes name to Puma.eth ETH on Twitter. Yes, Puma is ETH on Twitter. Puma.eth. Yeah, let's do it correctly. And we have two articles. First on the Money Full about Avax, about its abilities and Fantom on the face. And both articles are writing about these blockchains, that they could be possibly the next Ethereum. But you have to understand, and we have to understand, that maybe it will be Avax, maybe it will be Solana, maybe it will be, who knows? Maybe it will be Fantom, maybe it will be ICP, but you have to remember how it was in the previous cycles. For example, let's take a look at Cardano, ADA, alright. And 2 days, 2 weeks, 1 week, alright. Okay. 2017, yeah? Look at the bottom. Where was the bottom, and how long was Cardano at the bottom? For how long? For a long time, long period. And right now, where are we now? Okay, where are we now right now? And I will cycle lines. Where is it? I will draw it to you. Pattern. I will draw it to you, and I will do it like this. Wait a second. Okay, bars pattern. Yeah. Let's take it here. Okay, and for example, to here, up to this moment. Okay. So where are we right now? This is the question for you. Where are we right now? Okay. Okay. So what is the point? The point is, guys, to just be patient and to wait. Look at this. To just wait, because don't hurry up. Just don't hurry up with Cardano, with Luna, with Solana, with Avax, if we are facing many conflicts. Of course, if we are in a bear market. But if we are in front of a bull market, still in front of a bull market, like it was here, like it was here, okay. So maybe we are still facing the bull market, and maybe it is just the beginning of the bull market. Who knows? Of course, we will see. Big info for Luna. Luna Foundation Guard raises $1 billion to form Bitcoin reserve for UST stablecoin. So Bitcoin reserve for UST stablecoin. It is something new, but in long term, for sure, it will be good move for Luna, good step. And here we have the alert for you. So remember, don't let yourself to be stolen by some scammers. There's a woman in the United States, and she was stolen by some guy. She thought that he was her friend, her online friend from dating site, and he told her about his investments in crypto, and he sent her some links, and she thought it was link to crypto.com, but it wasn't. It was a link to some malicious website, and she was stolen of her 300 or something like this $1,000, almost $400,000 of crypto. So be sure always to open the exchanges from your trusted sources, okay? Always. Don't be fooled like her. Alright, and for today, that's all. We of course encourage you to use tools of Maximus, because we are using it, and it is great. It is great. We have it on a Telegram right now. It's in Polish, but for sure in a few days we will create it in English version too, because there's more and more listeners on this channel. All right, and for today that's everything. Thank you, guys, and have a great time.